So we've started a new rebuild program that involves customers returning their used Lotek collars for service. We used to assess returned collars to see which parts, if any, needed repair and provide customers with options for repair. We found that parts such as belts and antennas that may have appeared and tested okay could end up malfunctioning in the field from wear and tear over time. With this new program, we no longer assess parts. We discard the whole collar except the electronics and build a new collar reusing only the electronics. This reduces the turnaround time for service, and the collars that are serviced are more reliable in the field. Some of the other benefits to our customers are that the service is quoted and agreed upon before the collars are returned, so that when they do arrive, we can begin working on them right away, and the customer does not have to wait for an assessment. As part of the new program, we are offering to include all sensors and options, upgrade a firmware, and provide host software at no charge. There will be a full 1-year warranty, the same one that is offered when a new collar is purchased. And the cost for rebuilding collars is considerably less than buying new. When the customer agrees to return their collars for rebuild, we provide a return authorization number for shipment. Once received, a work order number is assigned and a completion date is provided. Collars are examined for external damage.
There's biting damage there.
Data from the collar is downloaded through host software and saved.
Data connection. We get the GPS data. Yeah, so the point of the whole exercise is you're trying to show the 4 screws out.
The electronics are removed and visually inspected for any signs of damage. They are then tested in an environmental chamber over a range of -40 to +50 degrees Celsius, repeatedly cycling over a 24-hour period. We then listen to the beacon signal. At this point, if the electronics do not pass testing, we would notify the customer that the collar cannot be rebuilt and there would be no charge for the testing. The new belt, housing, and antennas are assembled and electronics are installed.
You're running. Yep. Okay.
New firmware and upgraded options are programmed. The new collar is tested in the lab before a final series of pre-ship tests, including outside, ensuring the collar acquires GPS locations. In summary, the collar is completely rebuilt using new materials and thoroughly tested electronics from the old collar. It will be reliable in the field. The turnaround time is quicker than our previous service structure, and it includes all sensors and options, upgraded firmware, and host software at no charge. There is a full 1-year warranty, the same one that is offered when a new collar is purchased, and the cost is considerably less than buying new. As a final note, our customers might want to send their older collars in for rebuild, even if they seem to be working well, to improve the likelihood of a successful study.